Good morning, everyone. How are you all, dear children? Once again, welcome back to my class. Students, today we will discuss chapter 9. Okay, means of communication. In this chapter, we will learn about meaning of communication, history of communication, and the types of communication in the modern world. Okay, student, in this lesson, we will learn about all these topics. Okay, so what is communication? The process of sending and receiving messages from people is called communication. Student, the process of sending and receiving messages from people is known as communication. We share our thoughts, our ideas with other person. That is known as a communication. Okay, children? Now, students, different means by which we can communicate with people are called the means of communication. Student, different means by which we people communicate with other persons are the means of communication. Okay. Communication is very important in our life. Student, this communication is very important in our day-to-day life. Okay. Long ago, people used to communicate through the sign languages. Student, in olden times, people used to share their thoughts, ideas with other person through the help of sign languages, which was only visual language. Okay, children? And later on, students, they use they share their ideas, their thoughts with the spoken words. They started speaking, okay, and they started their sharing their ideas and thoughts with the spoken words, with the help of spoken words, okay. Drum beats were sent to far off places to convey the messages. Student, also drum beats were sent to far off places to convey the messages. People use drum beats to send their messages. Okay. Sometimes people send messages by reflecting the light on a mirror. Student, sometimes people also send messages by reflecting the light on a mirror or through smoke or fire signals. Also, they use smoke or fire signals. Okay. Student, as you can see in the pictures, people used to smoke, do fire, they burn fire and they create smoke for sending messages. Okay, as you can see in the picture. Okay, everyone. As people started writing, the problem of the means of distant communication was solved. Student, with the help of invention of writing, the problem of the means of distant communication was solved. Okay. Messages were sent through pigeons. People send their messages later on with the help of pigeons. Okay, people use pigeons to send their messages in olden times. Okay, children? A special person called messengers used to carry written messages. Student, in olden times, special person is hired to take messages. They are known as messengers. Okay. Messengers used to travel on foot. Student, messengers used to travel on their foot or on horseback. Also, they used to ride horse. Okay, they used to sit on horseback. But this method took a very long time. Student, this message sending way took very long time. Okay. Today there are many modern means of communication. Student, today there are many modern means of communication we have. Okay. The most commonly used means of communication are, first is postal communication. Postal communication, it is the most popular method of communication. Okay. In this communication, we can send messages through postcards, inland letters, envelopes. Okay. We can use these things for sending messages. Okay. Second one is telecommunication. Okay, children, second one is telecommunication. We can send our messages through radio, fax, telephone, television, and computer. It is the fastest means of communication. Okay, children, it is the fastest means of communication. Now, children, third is mass communication. Mass here means a group of large number of people. Okay, so mass communication, we can do mass communication through the help of newspaper, television, and radio. Okay, for the mass communication, we can send messages through newspaper, television, and radio. Okay, student. So, student, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video. Till then, children, must take care. Be safe at home. Thank you and bye bye everyone.